Hi, my name is Erin Patrick. I'm one of the owners of the future Carm's restaurant, this building here. Wanted to take a moment and share some of the exciting progress we've made in getting this building renovated over the past couple of months. We've gotten so much support from the town of Chester and from our local contractors, Aaron's Home Improvement and Floyd Fisher Electrical and Paul Graham's our plumber. So a lot has gone on. One of the big things you'll see is right out front of the building, we've got this great new deck and ADA accessible ramp. So it connects the front of Carm's to what will be the historic Route 20 Visitors Association, and lots more great stuff going on inside. As you can see, lots still going on, but we're so grateful for all of the support, everyone in the community, and stay tuned. We'll keep the updates coming as we get closer to opening, coming soon.